our other friends to get his Left 4 Dead downloaded, but sadly, his computer sucks ass. It's taking like 4 hours.
Alright guys, I got Left 4 Dead. Well, it's like the demo thing because I don't have any money, so we got the Walton and Dad. Get a first aid, you know it's fine. How do you pick it up?
There's a hunter behind you!
I thought it was just you tickling
You killed him! Oh no, he's on.
You know what?
Hey. Shut up.
Shoot them all.
This game is lagging.
What's your name?
Look at our connection.
I'm gonna reload. Oh, this chat's hosting.
I'm not hosting, it's Legacy.
Started it.
No, I'm not. I'm not the one. I joined the lobby.
Hey, you're the one who's hosting.
Fuck?
Let's try shooting instead of people, okay?
Yeah, Legacy is hosting.
How do you knife?
It's called
steroids.
Okay.
Back up.
Oh god!
God, don't worry, I'm gonna come and have sex with you. Brutal sex.
Unprotected.
Reloading.
God, I like your suit.
Zombies on road.
Sally, you don't know that you're wearing a suit. Holy shit, that's a boom.
Reloading.
Oh god, he's like
Right.
I got you, bro. Oh, no. Wait.
Yeah, call you're getting range.
Come on now. Seriously.
Pipe bomb, adrenaline. I already got it. This is annoying. I don't like having this many sex unprotectedly. Go off the roof! Everyone go off the roof! Just pipe bomb off the roof! Yeah, go do suicide, zombies! Suicide's the best way to live.
Somebody's gonna need these. Guess those suits don't stop fights.
I don't care about you, admin. You can go kill yourself.
I revived him.
He's like all the way back there.
Reloading.
Me and Cod. Cod, I'm coming. Where are you going, Cod? God, you're like going the wrong way.
shut up.
I think I'm going the wrong way.
We're all going
Go on, let's do this. Close the door, you're like Hitman, but black.
Everybody, back down the stairs.
That's all it is, man.
Oh, Josh is like booking it. Just book it. Book it. Screw that douchebag.
Need him to survive.
Oh shit, we can't use the elevator.
Alright. Oh, boomer! Oh, I just got sorry.
Reloading.
You're gonna die.
You guys gonna help me or are you just gonna sit there and watch while it goes down?
I'm trying to go to the zombies out here.
Hey, come on, Collie, you do it. Back up. Come on, you got this. I know you're coming.
Hey, no time to be gentle.
Don't stop reviving me. I got shit.
Well, get up.
Protect me, Cod. Protect me, Cod.
Reloading here.
Hold the admin.
Wait a sec. Healing.
He's all the way somewhere. I don't even know.
Oh, I need some help!
Oh my
God dang it, the admin.
Alright, I'll be right there. Actually, no, I'm just gonna walk.
He's up there.
Shoot him off! Shoot him off!
Oh no!
Oh no! Pull him up! Pull him up! I got you, Cod! I got you, Cod!
I shot him off!
God, I don't want you to die! No, don't kill it! Don't kill it! Just run! Get in the elevator! Get in the elevator! Get in the elevator! It doesn't freaking matter! Get in this freaking shitty elevator! God, run!
I'm running. How do you run?
Fuck.
I'll do it fast.
No! Get in here! Yes! Get in!
I don't
God, my elevator! My elevator!
My name's Alice. People just call
I'm
me
not
Coach.
my name's Alice.
Who'd we lose? I think she said it was Rochelle.
The thing. Never mind.
Heal yourself with first aid. God dang it. I need to
Time to go.
Oh my god, come on, lag.
Oh,
Like I'm hopping up and down.
Yes, I know.
Press 4.
What's up with this?
Press 4, Cod. Hold left click. Hold left click. Don't pry the door open. Let him heal. Hold left click, so you can heal yourself.
I pressed 4 and then I left click.
Oh, reach.
Oh wow.
What happened?
That was a connection problem.
Hit the button before this
Don't
turns into-
do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Let him heal.
Maybe on that.
Try and whopping.
Oh
my god.
How dare you hurt them?
Dude, pick up the Uzi. Pick up the Uzi.
Mine's a P90 on the floor. Don't have to see that. Well,
Crap, dude. Oh, we're getting raped.
dude, shit, we're gonna die. I'm gonna rush it. Now I'm getting raped. The rapist is on fire.
I got you. You got like hit in the face with like the ceiling panel. Alright, I need. Let's go!
Oh my god.
How can you breathe in this?
Sniffing in through your nose. Shit. Help me.
Don't shoot teammates. I will shoot my teammates I want. Spitter!
Come on, we just gotta rush there. We gotta rush there, Justin. We can close the door and let Cod try and run there. Oh, Cod's already right here. I thought it was like way back there.
She wanted it. Alright. Chad back. Help me.
Sorry if the audio was bad. Deal with it.
Oh no, help! Turn the audio down.
To get in anyways.
Hey, get your ass up now! Come on!
Correctly, Justin, don't do that. Justin, smoker!
Yo, is that smoking?
Ah! I'm getting constricted!
Go. Jump. I guess that may be faster.
Kind
Bunny, hop your way.
Bullshit.
Hey! No!
Oh, come on. I thought that would work. Oh yeah, we're playing online. I thought we were playing like just by ourselves. Okay.
Yeah.
One guy died at the
Also,
beginning.
if you don't know, the Awesome Vulcan is dark for the flame.
Oh, I might crack my back.
Is that right? Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a boomer. Yeah. Jiggle, I'm a boomer.
I'm a spitter. Where do I spawn?
You gotta wait from the save zone.
Chat, shut up.
Two spawn
Hey, I'll
locations.
get under the stairs with me. We can all spawn and just freaking boom.
I can't spawn.
Okay, there we go.
So he comes.
Get behind.
I can attack my zombie friends.
Can't spawn.
God damn, I'm dead.
Yeah.
At least our ping are going back up. Oh wait, never mind. My ping went up.
When are we gonna stop the recording?
After the game's
they
done.
killed me.
In parts.
I died.
Ah, balls. I'm a jockey, bruh.
Oh man, I'm just watching.
Actually, I'm gonna just like cut it into parts like with segments and all that shit.
Oh,
Bro,
go
maybe.
Walton. Go Walton.
Anonymous, come here! Wow! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, I'm a boomer.
Yeah, I got him. Oh, wait, no, I'm dead. He just
Oh,
jumped
he's
out the window.
stuck. He's stuck.
He jumped out the window. What a retard!
You can't be seen, but let me.
Chad, keep on whacking him with your weird hands.
Darn it, he's He's like right there. Alright, I'm gonna spawn over here just to work, right? Oh!
You're pwning and owning.
This is gonna be good.
Should you spawn location?
Behind
No,
you! Behind you! Oh, you died.
I'm a smoker.
No, he
I'm a
killed me! How did
smoker.
he kill me so fast? What the?
How much health does he have? He barely survived that. You gotta be no. No.
God, I'm a smoker and I spawned in like the worst possible
Not
spot.
cool at all, man.
Hey, shut up, the admin. I heard you.
I just died.
Oh, yes.
Chad died.
Right in front of his face.
I'm a spitter, man.
It takes so long to like respawn. It's so like stupid.
Realism, I heard it takes like 30 seconds to respawn.
Wait, can I attack you? You're surviving. No, darn it! I thought that was darn it. Let's go on the spitter, man.
Oh
Right
snap!
now,
I am a boomer.
I'm a
Oh, dude,
spitter,
hug
man.
him.
Hug him.
You're a female boomer, aren't you?
I don't know.
How do you tell?
Look at the icon.
Hey, shut
I'm
up.
just like really fat.
How do we get down? I need to get down. I see his character outline.
Go in front of me. Go in front of me. They're gonna try and kill me.
How do I get downstairs?
How'd they shoot me instead?
Well, cause I don't just die easily.
Who are you? You're I don't know what it's called.
Oh God, help! I'm gonna die. No.
Wow.
Oh God, the screens are so weird.
Oh yeah, you got the normal skins. We got like custom skins. I didn't. I just saw the T-shirt thinking like this. It's all right, and then I saw the back and it had wings. And now like Ellis kind of looks gay, and apparently it's from My Little Pony.
Okay.
So
The
it's like a
admin
double
is-
downer for me.
The admin is down. Oh, get him!
How did I not kill him? I was like whacking him in the face.
You cannot be seen by the survivors. Come on, I'm not. They can't see me. There we go.
Is Jared still here?
Nope. I don't know. I think he died. Oh, he can't shoot me. He can't shoot. No. Ooh. No,
Don't pick him up
That's
out of the
not
window.
cool, man.
No.
I like drove him off the window, seeing like if he would freaking.
Oh, I'm a charger, dude. Sweet.
Oh,
Oh, dude, get it! If they're camping in front of a window, you can charge them through the window.
oh God, the admin.
Dude, the charger's arm looks freaking gay.
He masturbated, bro.
Oh God, I see you, Walter.
I know, dude. I like.
Get
Why is
him!
this
Get
kid-
him! I'm a
Balls!
jockey.
Only if I was a tank, dude. I could like rip crap up. Just like
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get
tell him
him!
who's boss.
Yeah, get raped. Freaking trying to follow the window, let everyone help you. Me and my buddies are gonna gangbang you, bro.
Jeez.
Get him!
Yeah,
Come
where'd you
on,
go?
why can't I? Darn it! Oh, I thought I spawned. Darn it! I kept trying to attack. them.
Chad, what are you, a hunter?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, dude, I'm a smoker again. God dang it. I hate being a smoker.
The admin. Oh,
I like
no,
spawn,
don't do it.
no
No,
one
admin,
here.
no. He, oh, what? He lived?
Where is everyone, dude? I don't.
I'm
They're in the
dead.
elevator.
The room all of a sudden just started going on fire. Hey, Chad. I got Nick!
Oh, yes, I'm a charger.
Yes.
Dang, Chad.
Oh, did one of their teammates leave? Yeah.
No.
I'm a charger.
Which didn't take so long to respawn.
Yeah, it does, sadly, but it's okay.
Darn it.
Who did they leave? Who left?
No one left.
Yeah, they did.